In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove WooCommerce checkout fields. If you want to simplify your checkout experience and remove fields that your store doesn't actually need, this is a quick and beginner-friendly way to do it directly from WordPress using a plugin. A cleaner checkout page can help reduce friction for customers and make the buying process feel faster and more straightforward. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your site settings, plugins, and WooCommerce options. Once you're inside the admin area, head over to the plugins section and choose Add New. In the search bar, look for a plugin called Checkout Field Editor. This type of plugin is designed to give you simple control over the fields shown on your WooCommerce checkout page without needing to edit code manually. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin adds the tools you need to customize your checkout form. This is usually the fastest way to remove unnecessary fields, especially if you want a visual interface instead of writing custom snippets. Next, go to WooCommerce in your left sidebar and look for Checkout Form or Checkout Settings, depending on how the plugin labels it. The wording can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You're opening the area where your checkout fields can be edited. Inside that section, you'll see a list of the available checkout fields. These may include things like company name, address line 2, phone, or other standard billing and shipping fields. To remove a field, click to expand it if needed, then uncheck it, or use the available toggle or eye icon to hide it completely. The exact layout depends on the plugin version, but the process is usually very intuitive. Just be careful not to remove fields that are important for payment processing, shipping, or order fulfillment unless you're sure your store doesn't need them. After making your changes, click Save Changes. This is an important final step because your edits won't appear on the live checkout page until they've been saved. Once that's done, visit your checkout page and test it yourself. Make sure the unwanted fields are gone and confirm that the checkout still works smoothly from the customer's point of view. That's it. You've successfully removed WooCommerce checkout fields and made your checkout form cleaner and easier to use.